All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys. Majestic number 13 is your teams. I just aggravated, bro. Just aggravated with PayPal. That shit's... Everything's going to be through the site, guys, the rest of the day, because I'm not dealing with that all day. I'm not going to sit here for an hour to fill one break. Here we go. Here's your teams for break number 13, Majestic single box break. 14 through 18 are going next. All right. You should know who you have. It's PYT. There we go. All right. Good luck, guys. That bottom one's a fucking brick. So, guys, any Bryce Love autos hit today, we give away $100 in break credit to that break, whoever's in that break. Let's do it this. It's only like 6 cards. Hold up. All right. We got a redemption. So we got Earl Thomas on the front. Earl Thomas. That one is 24 of 25 for the Ravens. Next up, redemption. We'll save. No way. $100 in break credit right away, kid. Why do you think I picked him? Let's go. Everybody in this break is going to be up for $100 in break credit. Told you, kid. You're welcome. You're welcome for picking him. You are very fucking welcome. Bryce Love, 88 of 99. $100 in break credit we're giving away, kid. See ya later. Now, for me doing that, you guys go fill all these other breaks. No way. To 25. We got a Washington box. To 25, Dwayne Haskins. Slightly two-colored patch. Washington, slaying it. Redemption. Paris Campbell for the Colts. Paris Campbell. See, I'm all fucked up. I don't have the setup I want right now. For the Colts. Don. There you go, buddy. Next pack. Caleb, we hit a Bryce Love right off the bat, dude. To 75, T.Y. Hilton. Select will go a little later today, guys. Select basketball. 22, a random team. That'll go in a little bit. Next up. To 99, fake guy. Emmanuel Hall. The Bears. That's why I did it, Caleb. 2 of 10, Drew Bledsoe, kid. Wow, look at him. Drew Bledsoe, 2 of 10 for the Pats. Let me sit there. Last hit of this break. Lamar. Ooh, look at that. Lamar Jackson at 25. This stuff is fucking nice. Wow. Right off the bat, solid box. That is nice. 4 of 25, Lamar. Triple. Recap. I'm going to give away that $100 in break credit. Lamar. Nice Bledsoe to 10. Fake guy, see you later. T.Y. Hilton. Paris Campbell. Haskins. The guy, Bryce Love and Earl Thomas. Let's go. Love it. Guys, go fill up these other breaks so we can just run right through them. Ravens, A. Phelps. Just did it, Wrangle, yep. And we hit a Bryce Love, so we're giving away $100 in break credit right now. Everybody in this break is eligible. All right. 2 dice, anything goes. 9 times, guys. 9 times. This is for $100 in break credit for no reason at all because we hit a Bryce Love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going 9 times. 8. 9th and final person on top gets $100 in break credit. Charlie's dad. There you go, buddy. $100 in break credit. Congrats, brother. See if he could send you that so you can use it right now. Wrangle, I don't have the YouTube set up. Probably later in the week. I don't have the monitors yet, so we're going to be set up later in the week. Everything will be added to YouTube as soon as I'm done. All right, guys. Final filler for number 14, $22.25. Everybody gets a team. $22.25. Every payment must be through the fillers on